Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Xiaomi 17 isn't connecting to the Wi-Fi network. In such case, first of all, we're gonna have to check on the other network devices we have around, so your tablets, your other smartphone, your PC, your laptop. If they don't have any issues with your Wi-Fi network, then let's start troubleshooting this smartphone. So first thing we can do is open the control center and re-enable the airplane mode, and then let the device reconnect to the Wi-Fi itself. And if it doesn't want to connect to your Wi-Fi still, we can go to Wi-Fi menu in settings, then open network acceleration and disable switching between networks, and then try to reconnect to our network once again. And if you were not able to connect still, then you can go to your network's settings by tapping on an arrow icon next to it and select forget network, and then reconnect to it once again by re-entering the password to it. Tap connect and let your smartphone reconnect to your network. And if you still can't do that, then we can go to more connectivity options, and here you'll be able to find reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth, then reset settings. This will also affect your Bluetooth connections and it will erase your Wi-Fi passwords, so be aware of it, but you'll be able to reconnect to both your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi networks afterwards. Then re-enter the Wi-Fi menu, and here re-enter the password to your Wi-Fi network and tap connect, and after that the issue should be gone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.